Welcome to our guide on interpersonal skills. In this video, we'll explore what interpersonal skills are and why they are crucial for success in both personal and professional settings. Interpersonal skills are the abilities we use to interact with others effectively. They encompass a wide range of behaviors, including communication, active listening, empathy, and conflict resolution. Why are these skills so important? Whether you're collaborating on a team project, navigating a difficult conversation, or building relationships, strong interpersonal skills make all the difference. In our personal lives, they help us form and maintain meaningful connections. Professionally, they are often the key to career advancement and workplace harmony. Throughout this video series, we'll provide actionable tips and strategies to develop these vital skills. We'll journey through the basics, dive into advanced techniques, and showcase real-life examples to illustrate the transformative power of interpersonal skills. So, let's get started. By the end of this series, you'll have the tools to improve your interactions and build more fulfilling relationships. Mastering communication can significantly enhance your interpersonal skills. Stay tuned. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on developing interpersonal skills. In this segment, we'll delve into the role of communication as the cornerstone of all interpersonal skills. Effective communication is essential in every interaction, laying the foundation for successful relationships both personally and professionally. It encompasses both verbal and nonverbal elements, from the words we choose to how we use body language, facial expressions, and even silence. Mastering these elements involves more than just speaking clearly. Active listening, fully engaging with the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully is crucial. It helps build trust and opens the door for deeper connections. Clear messaging is another key aspect. Whether you're conveying an idea, giving instructions, or sharing feedback, clarity ensures your message is understood and reduces misunderstandings. Throughout this segment, we'll explore techniques to enhance your verbal and nonverbal communication, improve your active listening skills, and craft messages that are clear and impactful. Together, we'll take the first steps toward mastering interpersonal skills. As we continue, you'll see how these foundational skills pave the way for deeper empathy and effective conflict resolution. Your transformation begins here. Empathy is a cornerstone of effective interpersonal skills. It's more than just understanding. It's about truly sharing the feelings of others. By stepping into someone else's shoes, you gain a unique perspective on their experiences and emotions. This journey starts with showing a genuine interest in the people around you, asking questions, listening intently, and acknowledging their feelings. Building emotional connections goes beyond surface-level interactions. It's about forming meaningful bonds rooted in compassion and respect. These connections strengthen relationships and create a supportive environment, both personally and professionally. Empathy paves the way for deeper understanding and cooperation. As we explore its impact further, you'll see how mastering this skill can transform your interactions and lead to stronger, more meaningful relationships. Stay tuned as we delve into more ways to enhance your interpersonal skills. Conflict is an inevitable part of our lives, but it's also an opportunity to strengthen our relationships when handled effectively. In this segment, we'll explore key techniques to resolve conflicts. First, we'll dive into identifying the root cause, which often lies beneath the surface of the initial disagreements. Understanding the underlying issues sets the stage for effective resolution. Next, we'll discuss the art of negotiation. Effective negotiation is not just about giving in or standing firm. It's about finding a balance where both parties feel heard and valued. We'll provide strategies for navigating these discussions productively and respectfully. Finally, we'll focus on finding win-win solutions. The goal of conflict resolution is not to win the argument, but to find a mutually beneficial outcome that strengthens the relationship. By fostering an environment of collaboration, we can transform conflicts into opportunities for growth. As we move forward, you'll learn to apply these techniques in real-life scenarios, enhancing your ability to maintain healthy, productive relationships. Stay with us on this journey of mastering interpersonal skills. Meet our central character. They are just beginning their journey to improve their interpersonal skills. Like many of us, they face initial struggles, particularly with communication, empathy, and conflict resolution. These early challenges are commonplace, but are also the starting point for significant growth. Our protagonist's story mirrors the journey we all must take to enhance our interactions with others. Through their experiences, we'll explore the obstacles they encounter and the small victories that keep them moving forward. As we delve into their journey, note the specific hurdles they face and the initial steps they take to overcome them. These moments are foundational for building stronger interpersonal skills. Remember, these early struggles are not a sign of failure, but an essential part of the learning process. As we continue, you'll see how our character begins to address common issues, paving the way for more advanced development in their interpersonal abilities. Stay with us as the story unfolds and prepare to be inspired by the transformation ahead. Our journey continues as our central character faces one of the most challenging aspects of interpersonal skills, overcoming communication barriers. Identifying these barriers is the first crucial step. Misunderstandings, cultural differences, and emotional blocks often stand in the way of clear communication. Recognizing these common obstacles is important, but our character also learns practical strategies to dismantle them. Through practice, they start using active listening, clarifying intent, and adapting language to suit different contexts. Each small victory builds their confidence, leading to significant improvements in their interactions. This journey is far from over. As we move forward, our character will delve deeper into the art of empathy, learning to connect on an even more profound level. Stay with us as we explore these advanced techniques. Our journey continues with a deep dive into empathy, a key to forging stronger connections. Our central character is learning advanced empathy techniques that transcend surface-level understanding. These techniques go beyond mere acknowledgement of others' feelings, aiming to truly share and resonate with them. Building deeper emotional connections requires a heightened awareness and a genuine interest in the experiences of others. Through immersive and active listening, our character practices tuning into the subtle cues of emotion, learning to respond with sensitivity and authenticity. Empathy isn't just about understanding, it's about connecting profoundly. Our character is discovering how to express empathy in ways that reaffirm and strengthen bonds, forging relationships that are meaningful and resilient. By embracing advanced empathy, our character steps into a space of compassionate connection. This transformation allows them to navigate interactions with greater ease and effectiveness, fostering a supportive and empathetic environment for everyone involved. As we move forward, you'll see how mastering empathy sets the stage for even more robust interpersonal skills. Next, our character will apply these empathetic insights to navigate and resolve complex conflicts, ensuring healthy and productive relationships for the long term. As our central character progresses on their journey, they now face one of the most challenging aspects of interpersonal skills: conflict resolution. With advanced strategies at their disposal, they tackle conflicts head-on, seeking to not only resolve disputes, but to ensure everyone involved feels heard and respected. Through persistence, they learn to maintain calm and focus, even in the most heated moments, turning potential confrontations into opportunities for growth and understanding. By mastering these techniques, our central character not only resolves conflicts efficiently, but also strengthens and nurtures relationships, both personally and professionally. This mastery of conflict resolution transforms their interactions, creating a harmonious environment where clear communication and mutual respect thrive. As we continue, the journey doesn't end here. Next, we'll explore how these advanced conflict resolution skills contribute to the character's overall transformation and success in life. Stay with us as the story of personal growth and professional excellence unfolds. Our journey now reaches its peak. Witness the incredible transformation of our central character. Once struggling, they now effortlessly navigate personal and professional landscapes thanks to enhanced interpersonal skills. Improved communication has allowed them to express ideas clearly and listen actively. Deepened empathy has fostered genuine connections, while mastered conflict resolution ensures harmony and productive collaboration. These skills have turned challenges into opportunities, creating a pathway to success. The benefits of sharpening these abilities are evident, both in stronger relationships and career advancements. This transformation showcases the power of interpersonal skills, proving that anyone can achieve significant growth and success. As we break down barriers, build deeper connections, and resolve conflicts, we unlock our full potential. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is ongoing, but the rewards are immense. Join us in the next chapter to continue uncovering the secrets to effective interpersonal skills. Now, let's take the lessons learned and apply them in our own lives, committing to continuous growth and improvement. Stay tuned for the final insights and actionable steps to elevate your interpersonal skills to the next level. In conclusion, we've explored the transformative journey of improving interpersonal skills. From mastering communication and building empathy to resolving conflicts and overcoming barriers, we've seen how these skills can reshape our interactions. Now, it's your turn to put these insights into practice. Take the steps to enhance your communication, cultivate deeper connections, and resolve conflicts more effectively. Remember, the key to success lies not just in understanding these concepts, but in actively applying them in your daily interactions. So go ahead and transform your personal and professional relationships with these newfound skills. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel for more educational content designed to help you grow and succeed. Together, we can continue to improve and thrive in our interpersonal journeys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos.